Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be unboxing the new Vigica V5 Android Smart TV Box. This one is powered by the Amlogic S805 quad-core processor. It's a Cortex A5 up to 1.5 GHz. It has a Mali 450 GPU, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal memory, 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4, and you got two USB ports, one SPDIF digital audio output, an HDMI output, AV output, MicroSD card slot, and it has XBMC support. Let's open it and see what's in the box. Okay, it's finally open. We have the TV box itself. And an HDMI cable, an IR remote, and the power adapter. Sorry. And the user manual. Cool. The power adapter is 12 volts, 1.5 amperes. The remote is basic. It reminds me of the Minix A1 fly mouse. It's got the power button, home, mouse cursor button, yes, navigation pads, OK, menu, back, volume down, volume up. Very basic, but also nice. Takes two AAA batteries, they're not included. Okay, let's see the box. Great design, very stylish. It's very different than all the other boxes I've reviewed. It's got a nice white glossy finish and the Vigica logo on front. And here, let's see the ports we get. You can see it's the V5 model, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM, Android KitKat, and we got two USB 2.0 ports, AV output, MicroSD card slot, SPDIF, Ethernet, HDMI output, and DC input. Next video will be the review. Very nice box. See you again, stay tuned. Bye bye.